Section 1. Right foot, cross point, side point, cross samba. Right foot, cross, side rock, recover. Left foot, cross point, side point, cross shuffle. Left foot, cross side, cross, facing 12 o'clock. Section count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Mambo step. Right foot, forward rock, recover together. Left foot, back rock, recover together. Right foot, forward step, left pivot, quarter turn. Weave step, right foot, cross side, behind side, facing 9 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 3. Left quarter turn, right foot, side rock, recover together, left foot forward, touch and hip bump. Left foot, side rock, recover together, right foot forward, touch and chest pop, up, down, facing 6 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4. Doroshi step. Right diagonal right foot, forward left foot lock step. Left diagonal left foot, forward right foot lock step. Right foot cross, left unwind 3 quarter turns. Weight on left foot, V step, right heel out, left heel out, in, together, facing 9 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Restart 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Restart 1, 2, 3, and 4. Restart 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Restart 1, 2, 3, and 4. Full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and.